Hi there everyone, Josiah here with Womprat Creations with this week's show and tell video. This week I'm pulling out another speed build, just like my proton grenade. This is also a model that I made with not great, I didn't have a plan for where this was going, but for those hardcore Star Wars fans out there, you will recognize this. Well, maybe not, it's not quite right, but this is my model of a T-16. This is the model of spaceship that Luke is seen playing with, zooming around in his home on Tatooine in Episode 4, and this is the ship that is referenced when Luke is bragging about how he used to blast womprats in his T-16 back home. This model is based on that ship. Now, this, like I said, is a speed build, which is where I'll just come in just with the intention of making something. I'm not being too exact in my execution. It's just kind of practice, I guess you can say. So I actually made this one night when I couldn't sleep for whatever reason. I was having a hard time falling asleep and it just wasn't coming. So I decided to go into the shop and make something, and I spent probably about 2 hours throwing this together. I pulled up a few images on Google and just started working with some styrene and some random greeblies that I had on hand. And this is actually kind of cool. It definitely is not anywhere close to a replica of the model of a T-16 used in Star Wars, but that's okay. It's, like I said, these speed builds are an exercise in making, and I really enjoy them. This was just a lot of fun. I just got to look at the different shapes that I was seeing. Obviously, this is a kind of a precursor to the Imperial shuttle that appears in later films, but it's a cool shape. It's got a triangular base and these 3 wings that come out. Obviously, this is not a model that will probably stand the test of time, but that's okay. It doesn't need to. This was just for fun. You can see I didn't even paint it. I just gave it a coat of primer and called it good. But I actually do really like this. One of the things that I really liked about this was playing around with ideas for the engine on the back. Now, I made this out of a bunch of different little greeblies that I had on hand, and I actually really like this design for a engine, particularly for this model. I just feel like it fits it really well. The other interesting part of this model is the gun that it has that kind of comes out on the bottom here at a kind of funky angle. I think what I ended up doing was bending a piece of brass tube and then attaching some greeblies to it and then attaching it up into the actual frame of the model underneath. But I mean, this was just fun. I really enjoy model making. I really enjoy making spaceships, and this was one that I haven't really seen too many people tackle. I think the reason being is there's some odd shapes in here. The angles of the main cockpit area here are not easy to get down. I remember having to fiddle with that for a while. really enjoyed this. It was an excellent exercise in model making and making in general. I love working with shapes and greeblies. Any chance that I can have to glue some greeblies onto something is always going to be a fun time. So yeah, this is my answer to the T16 and a sleepless night. Thank you guys for tuning in for another show and tell. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Hey, if you enjoyed that video, consider checking us out on Patreon. Patreon is a great way to help support the channel directly, and it allows us to give you some cool stuff in return, like free 3D models of all of the shop infrastructure builds that I do. You can get free merch and a whole bunch of other really cool stuff. So go check it out. Thanks, guys.
517 to scanner control. 517 to scanner control. 316, report to control. 53 to upper bay door. 53 to upper bay door.